We're doing a maple smoked bacon, fat washed infused old fashioned. We've been having a lot of fun with our Oklahoma Joe's smoker. We made our own bacon, we've made our own bourbon soaked peppercorns. We've taken that bacon fat, we've infused it with some bourbon. Fall, winter's coming up. This is one that you can make when you have some friends over, and it'll be a fun one to do. So for this cocktail, very, very simple. To do a nice bar spoon of maple syrup. We're not talking about Aunt Jemima pancake syrup here. Use the real stuff. We have our fat washed bourbon. We're gonna do a nice 2 ounces of that. So fat washing is a way to infuse the bourbon with a little bit of the smoke flavor. It's also going to change the texture and the consistency, give it a nice creamy finish, kind of take away some of the harshness and smooth it out, and it just makes for an incredible cocktail. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes of black walnut bitters. Give that a stir. Now get a nice glass. We're going to put some fresh ice in there. Gonna do a little espresso orange peel, give it a little rim around the glass. And then we got some nice crispy pieces of our house-made bacon. That's your garnish. So you got smoked bacon, fat washed bourbon, maple old fashioned. There's a lot of ingredients in here. It's gonna be loaded with flavor. You gotta try this one. Oof, it's like breakfast. Delicious.